What is up, responsible day traders? Today is Tuesday, right? Yeah. Tuesday, November 17th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. I'm laughing because I don't feel like I was super responsible today. I let trades that hit their target and didn't follow through come back for a break even. And let one come back for a loss. I'm a little frustrated today. I was already frustrated when this day started. I had a lot going on this morning, a lot of fires to put out, some things to take care of, and I even considered not trading today. I was like, oh, I'm frustrated. Should I not trade? I mean, even though I came out positive, it was not my finest moment. It is definitely one of the toughest days I've had trading in a while. Holding on when I knew I shouldn't have. Yeah. We're just going to go ahead and let you check out this situation that I created today. I did walk away with a positive account, but I don't feel real positive about the way I reacted to it. So what you gonna do? Gonna breathe in the good stuff and let it all go. So hope everybody has a wonderful Tuesday and enjoy this show. Good afternoon, almost. Responsible day traders. It's 11:23. I've had a little bit of a rough morning for myself. There's just been a lot going on. So I have to really pay attention to my decisions. Because if I don't, I could let the frustration run me over. And I'm not going to allow that to happen. So we're going to see how I feel after 30 minutes. I'm going to set a timer. And if after 30 minutes I'm still feeling funk, we're just going to call it a day. And it looks like we're still in upward motion a little bit. We're not really pulling away from this Bollinger Band again. We're sitting right on top of it. So it could easily pull back in. What you'd like to see when it pulls away and comes like this is a bit of a bounce off for a lot of strength and continuation, and not quite seeing that right now. Kind of like this. Let's look at what's happened on the bigger tick chart. It's pulled in, rolled off here. Kind of the same scenario here. We've reached that next area. It's pulled right back in. I'm not 100% about this right now. Am I ever? See this probably coming back down a little bit more. And then push up. Maybe back down into this area. Okay, we're going to give this one a shot right here, right behind this little bit. I feel that feeling building up in my chest, like, oh, a little frustrated feeling. It was already there before I started trading. I had opportunity to exit that with profit. Just didn't listen. I feel my heartbeat racing, which tells me I'm trying to force something right now. Ooh. Oh, put me one too high. Okay. I like the way this pulled down again and is pushing up, and we're popping up here and we're rolling up here, and it could definitely come down, and I should have kept it one tick below there, but it is what it is. Actually, I may even add 2 here. You know what? I'm going to take 1 out. Maybe. Take these off of here. Take those 2 out. I think I'm gonna add 2 more. This will be it for today. Whoa, what just happened there? So y'all, this is where things start to get a little crazy. I realize that I do not have the select active ATM strategy on order submission on my 610 tick chart. So it makes things just a little bit funky here in a minute. Ooh. Well, that's my worst trading day in a while. Let's look at this. I've already looked at a little bit of it. 525 with I really could have done better than that. That's because that was 3 contracts at the end. So first off, they told me to get out. I did not. Was not thinking about it having... Oh, God, I'm a little frustrated. Damn. Well, it is what it is. I got 5 minutes left of my trading, so I am just going to mark these up and call it a day. Okay, not my favorite day. I actually feel pretty rough about today. I was feeling a little rough before I started trading, so that was a really good sign that I should not have. I held trades too long. That last one, I cannot believe I held to that pullback. It happened. I have a headache. And my trades were combining because I didn't have my settings right on my chart. I have created a new workspace for the ES not too long ago. I didn't check everything. So, can you see my face is a little red? I'm a little flustered. It's not the end of the world. Not my best day. I'm gonna call that a day. I should be around tomorrow. Hopefully, I'll have a little more time, a little less frustration, and be a little more prepared. But, you know, c'est la vie. That was tough. That was tough for me. It's okay. All right, we're going to go ahead, call that a day. Hope everybody has a wonderful Tuesday. And as always, you know, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side. I love spending time with you, so please like and subscribe. Also, if you want to spend a little more time with me, head on over to www.responsibledaytrading.com, click on the Start Your Free Course and Learn How to Get Funded button, and set up a time to talk with one of our traders. And before you know it, we'll be spending a lot of time together.